On-off switches are one of those everyday objects we often take for granted, but they play a crucial role in our lives. Imagine your life without them. No lights, no appliances, no electronics. It's hard to picture, right? So let's dive into how these simple devices work. At their core, on-off switches are designed to control the flow of electricity. When you flip a switch to the on position, you're essentially completing a circuit, allowing electric current to flow through. Conversely, when you switch it to off, you break that circuit, stopping the flow of electricity. This basic principle is what makes switches so powerful and essential. Now, let's talk about the mechanics. Most switches operate using a simple mechanism called a toggle. When you push the switch, a lever moves, either connecting or disconnecting two conductive metal contacts. In the on position, these contacts touch, allowing electricity to flow. In the off position, they pull apart, breaking the circuit. It's like a gatekeeper for electricity, deciding when it can pass through and when it should be blocked. There are different types of switches, each designed for specific applications. For example, a single-pole switch is the most common type found in homes. It controls one light or fixture from one location. Then, there are three-way switches, which allow you to control a single light from two different locations, perfect for staircases or long hallways. And let's not forget about dimmer switches, which let you adjust the brightness of your lights. They work by rapidly turning the circuit on and off, creating a flickering effect that our eyes perceive as dim light. Now, have you ever wondered about the safety features built into these switches? Many modern switches come with circuit breakers or fuses. These are designed to protect your home from electrical overloads. If too much current flows through the circuit, the breaker will trip, cutting off the electricity and preventing potential fires. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your home safe. Switches have evolved over time, too. We've moved from the old-fashioned toggle switches to sleek, modern designs that can be controlled remotely. Smart switches connect to your home Wi-Fi, allowing you to control your lights from your smartphone or even through voice commands. Imagine walking into a room and saying, "Turn on the lights," and they respond instantly. That's the future we're living in. But let's not forget the fun side of switches. Have you ever flipped a switch and felt that satisfying click? It's a small pleasure, but it's part of what makes using switches so enjoyable. There's something inherently satisfying about the tactile feedback they provide. It's a simple action that gives you control over your environment. In conclusion, on-off switches are more than just a way to turn things on and off. They are a fundamental part of our electrical systems, designed with safety and convenience in mind. From the basic toggle to the advanced smart switch, they have transformed how we interact with electricity. So, the next time you flip a switch, take a moment to appreciate the engineering and design that makes it all possible. It's a small act, but it's one that powers our daily lives in countless ways.